Hey friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gina. I'm the creative here behind Create and Daydream on YouTube. You can also find me over on Instagram at Create and Daydream. And if you're new here, this is kind of a part 3 to a series of videos that I put up this last weekend. The first one is called My DIY Happy Planner Dashboards. The second one is a dashboard process, kind of showing you the behind the scenes of how I put them together. And then in today's video, we're going to be setting up our pages inside. So this can be done no matter what you're doing, whether you are journaling, you're scripture writing, you're taking notes. This can be applied to a variety of different things. You could do this inside a notebook. I'm doing it inside an upcycled happy planner, and I wanted to share the full process from beginning to end once I receive a set, and that is from Illustrated Faith. This particular set is called Light Up the Night. This is by Brave Little Taylor, and the theme is talking about the light of Jesus in anything that can be dark times or whatever. This is obviously geared towards Halloween, but you could use this set all year round if you have kids that dress up, and anytime you just need to focus in on Jesus's amazing and glorious light, you could pick this set up as well. So what you're seeing here is I have all of my stuff printed out on clear Mako sticker paper, and then I just kind of start setting up my pages. I look over the scripture, I get an idea of how many pages I'm going to need, what I'm going to want to write out, and I go from there. So since there are 4 little kids dressed up in costumes, I decided to do 4 pages, and I just jump in. There's a lot of auditioning, there's a lot of moving things around that I cut out. Here's a little tip of one of the things that I do is on the little treasure chest of candy, I've put the name of the set, and then down on the bottom, I put Brave Little Taylor's little, emblem, and there are all the scriptures that I'm going to be writing for the entire set. And then what I do throughout the pages is I also bring in and I type out, I use her typed out scripture that is on the page. So this is kind of like finishing up a little bit of page 1, and this is literally the name of the set, Light Up the Night. So I save all the little extras that she has. In this case, it was little candies and stars, and those are my filler pieces when it comes to the end. I make sure that I burnish my stickers down with, I have like nubby nails, so I'm like burnishing my stickers down into my paper because I also want to write on the back side. And I feel like you can still write very nicely on both sides when you're just using clear Mako sticker paper. Okay, so real quick, because this is a short video on the topic of clear Mako sticker paper, I talk about it a lot. I guess this will be a little commercial, but I can't put the link in the bottom, so hear me out here. I applied to be an Amazon associate, which means anytime someone uses one of my links and buys anything from Amazon, I'm supposed to get a kickback at some point. I haven't gotten anything yet. I don't know how long it takes, but I don't have any links in this video because I don't think they allow you to talk about it in a direct video. Their Amazon bots are everywhere. But if you want to head back to like a video or two and click an Amazon link if you have to buy anything, that would be so awesome. It's what I do. Like when I have to pick up sticker paper or anything off Amazon, I try to find a friend's link and pick it up. It's free to me and it helps them immensely. So there's my little commercial break. Back to regular movie scheduling. Okay, so technically maybe not a movie for you, but I am editing an iMovie, so I think that relates. Okay, so now once I get my main pieces on, I come back and I put in the fillers. As you can see, I've cut up some of the titles. Feel free, always remember to cut your digital sets. You are allowed to do that. And when you're setting something up like this, just kind of be aware of how long the scriptures are going to be. Kind of check that out ahead of time. Soon you're going to see me come back in and flip through my finished scripture writing, and then after that I'll come in and take notes, but I wanted to keep it as nice as possible. So if you hung out this long, thank you so much. Head back and watch a few of my other videos, and I will see you very soon. God bless each and every single one of you.